Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the privacy password in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option security and privacy, scroll down, tap on app lock or hide app, you can select. So here we need to select enter the current privacy password. Then tap on the option 3 dots on the top right side. Tap on settings. Tap on privacy password. Again enter the current password. So here you can see two options, turn off password, change password. To change the privacy password, select the option change password. So here again enter our current password. Then here we can enter the new privacy password. We can use different password type also. So here I am going to select the option pattern. Then draw the pattern. Again confirm the pattern. Okay, so simply in this way you can change the privacy password in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.